How to change emoji color on iPhone. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will be showing you how to easily change the color of emoji on your iPhone. First, let's open an app that uses our keyboard. For this video, I will be using Notes. On your keyboard, you should see a smiley icon on the left corner. Just select that in order for you to see all the emojis available to you. Let's make use of the thumbs up emoji as an example. There's only 2 steps in changing the color of this emoji. Long press and select. You may choose from any of the colors available. Let me show you another example. How about this baby emoji? Long press and select. It's really up to you what color you like the most, but that's how you can easily do it. Now, there's only one thing to remember as well. Not all emojis can be changed the color of, such as this one, for example. If I long press this emoji, it doesn't really give me any options but this. It only means you can't change the color and you can't really do anything about it. But all of the other ones that gives you option, like this one, or maybe this one, or maybe this one, then by all means, feel free to select whatever color you like. But that's how easy you can do it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to watch more videos like this. See ya!